Over the past 2 years, something remarkable has happened in the Dutch investing landscape. According to new data from BlackRock, the Netherlands is now the #1 country in Europe when it comes to ETF growth. And the numbers are astonishing. Since late 2022, more than 1.1 million new investors have stepped into the world of ETFs. That brings the total to 1.7 million, an increase of nearly 200%. No other European country even comes close. And what's driving this movement isn't just market performance, it's people. Young adults and women are transforming the investing culture in this country. Investors between 25 and 34 are the fastest growing group, rising more than 150% in just 2 years. The number of women investing in ETFs grew by nearly the same pace. When you look at the economic reality they're facing, inflation, high housing costs, student loans, it's no surprise. Investing is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity for financial security, and ETFs fit that need perfectly. They're accessible, low-cost, and diversified. You don't need to pick individual stocks. You don't need to time the market. You can start with small amounts, automate your investments, and let the market work for you. 44% of Dutch ETF investors say they began because saving simply wasn't enough anymore. And with digital platforms making investing easier than ever, the barriers have never been lower. But this isn't just a retail trend. The entire industry is moving in the same direction. Europe now has more than 3,400 ETF products, including thematic funds, sector funds, and even crypto-linked ETFs. Active ETFs are gaining traction as well, with major asset managers launching new strategies every year. Robeco reached over €1 billion in assets in its active ETF range within a year. Institutional investors have embraced them fully, and retail investors are following the same path. And here's the most important part. Despite all this growth, the potential is still huge. According to BlackRock, 90% of adults in Europe still don't own a single ETF. Even in the Netherlands, where ETF adoption is strongest, analysts expect double-digit growth again in the coming year. And with Dutch households sitting on roughly €500 billion in savings, the financial room is there. JP Morgan projects that global ETF assets will double in the next 5 years, and Europe could even triple. So what does this mean for you? It means you are still early. You are part of a generational shift in how people build wealth. ETFs aren't a trend, they're a foundation. And whether you're just starting or already investing, the most powerful step you can take is to stay consistent, stay diversified, and stay invested.